Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to learn songs faster on bass. First, let's discuss breaking down the music into smaller, manageable parts. This approach makes the learning process less overwhelming and more efficient. You'll also discover the importance of active listening to truly grasp the bass line. We'll cover practicing slowly with a metronome and focusing on one section at a time to build solid muscle memory and accuracy. Active listening is crucial for learning bass lines quickly. Pay close attention to the bass's specific role within the song, whether it's driving the rhythm or providing melodic support. Try to identify the root notes and rhythmic patterns the bass plays. For tricky parts, use a slowdown app to hear every detail. Even transcribing simple sections by ear will significantly sharpen your listening abilities. When you practice, always begin at a very slow tempo, ensuring every note is clean and accurate. Isolate and loop any challenging song sections, repeating them accurately many times until they feel comfortable. Don't rush the process. Consistency at a slow speed builds a strong foundation. Only then should you gradually increase your practice speed in small increments, maintaining precision as you go faster. Once you've mastered individual sections, it's time to integrate them. Play along with the original recording regularly to get a feel for the song's flow and timing. Practice the entire song from beginning to end, even if you make mistakes. Recording yourself playing is an excellent way to identify any errors or areas needing more work. Finally, make sure to review previously learned songs to keep them fresh in your memory.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.